That was the left. This is the right. So I'll take 10 of both. So you can just say 10 MUUV are gone.
We want to send one of these to a supplier, the supplier of the box, because we want them to make changes to the box, but they need all of the products that go in there. So can I build one and we take those components?
Yeah, you have some extras, so
yeah. Okay.
We can cut this box here and save shipping.
Yeah. Because we tested it at home, we moved these wheels down, we pushed these down, and we can just fit them in.
but how about this one?
Yeah, so this one and this one need to move lower, and then there's a little space here and here for the wheels.
Yeah, that's smarter.
I think we can make it more economic because these cost us a lot to ship. But how beautiful is the box? This is my neighbor and this is my kid. Yeah, they're boyfriend and girlfriend. They are. They have no choice. Okay, that is good.